Hi, I'm Hillary Swenson. I'm the Water Resources Extension Educator with Minnesota Sea Grant. I'm based out of Duluth. Today we're sitting on the UMD campus in the Swenson Science Building, and we are offering a workshop as part of the Lake Superior Youth Symposium. So this is an event that rotates around the Lake Superior Basin every year. The last time it was in Duluth was in 2019. And this brings together students from about 8th through 12th grade from all across the Great Lakes who come to participate and learn about lake and learn about water and learn about different things that they can do in this space. So the theme this year is Lake Superior Stories, and so our workshop today that we're putting on is exploring stories of people who work on water resources, who work in and around Lake Superior, and we did that through playing a series of games. So we had students who ranged from 13 to 18 years old today, and they played the watershed game where they got to learn about what happens when you have a polluted stream and what different people do around that stream to help restore its water quality. And they even got to look at some macroinvertebrates to see how those can indicate good or bad water quality. And then the students played a game that was resolved around Great Lakes shipping. And so they got to learn about what are the different stories and careers of people who work in maritime transportation in the Great Lakes. And they got to learn about the Great Lakes in general. And they got to play on the big basin map that we have and learn about the St. Lawrence Seaway and how the ships travel from lake to lake. And then finally, we played climate resilience and water resources bingo. So there also the students were able to learn about different vocabulary, different stories, and different careers that people have. And so this was a way for us to engage with students and work as part of this larger Lake Superior Youth Symposium effort that is put on by the Swenson College of Science and Engineering.